In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play co-op Stardew Valley PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up a co-op save in Stardew Valley. This is going to work if you and your friends are playing through Steam. So as you can see, one of you will be able to join a hosted game, and all that you have to do if you are going to be the one hosting is to go ahead and click Host New Farm. You can choose one of the pre-existing saves that you have or create a new one. For the purposes of this video, I'm gonna speed through the process, but you can take your time and carefully set up your character, set up the cabin layout, and so on. So once you have everything set up, just go ahead and click OK. The host will load into the game immediately, or if you watch the intro, just go ahead and do it. And once you load in, you will see this message: you are now hosting a multiplayer game, and the invite code will be given to you. As you might expect, you will be copying this invite code, and the other people who are going to be joining you will have to input this code on the home screen. You can also go over to the options to manage everything about multiplayer, including the option to make it friends only, so this way no other random people will join. Make sure that everything here is set up as default. You don't need to change this. You can change the building move mode if you prefer, so everyone can do it, or the host only. And you can always get the invite code from here if needed. So copy the code, and you can also start a local co-op, so people who are on the same network or by connecting an additional controller will be able to join. Now, I'm gonna back out to show you how it will look like if you were the one joining the server. Now, keep in mind that the host has to be on the save at all times. If the host leaves, the server goes down, so keep that in mind. If you are going to be joining, just go ahead and click Enter Invite Code. Paste the code that you acquired from the host here and click OK. Sadly, I won't be able to demonstrate this because I am doing both purposes. I'm hosting and also trying to join, and because I left, the server is not being hosted anymore. You can also use the first option here at the top to enter the IP to join a LAN game, but for most people, I recommend using the invite code instead. I hope I was able to help you on how to play co-op Stardew Valley PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.